You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. This name means valley in English. It's an old English word, valley, meaning valley. It's pronounced in English as Dale. This is a gender-neutral given name of English origin. Dale. You could spell it D-A-I-L. Dale. You have a diphthong. It starts with an E sound and then an E. Dale. And then an L. Dale is how you pronounce it. English pronunciation. Dale. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.